Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find, download, and view the Epstein file from official sources. So, first thing you have to do is open up your browser, any browser of your choice, and you're going to search for Epstein library. So once you search for that, you're going to see the Department of Justice. That will be the first website you're going to see. So you click on that. So once you click on that, you'll be asked to actually confirm your age. And okay, you can see mine, but I've done that already. So after doing that, you scroll down and you see where it says go to DOJ disclosure. You click on that right there and you scroll down and you can see the Epstein File Transparency Act HR. Click on that and you're going to see different data sets, right? You click, let's say you click on the first one right there, you scroll up and you can see a lot of PDFs. So you can click on one and you can see this PDF right here. So once you see the PDF, you can actually just click on the three dots and you can see this arrow right here and it's going to delete this particular file. So that's actually how to find and view the Epstein file. If you find it kind of helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.